In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outlet connector on your Karcher electric pressure washer. We'll begin by removing the covers, starting with the top cap. Now I'll tip the machine back and pull the covers off. Now we have access to the outlet connector. It's connected to the pump with a metal fork and an O-ring. So I'll just pull the fork away, then slightly lift up the pump and pull the connector off of the pump. Now we can install our new outlet connector. Before we do, I need to transfer the O-ring over from the old connector to the new. If the O-ring is worn or cracked, you'll want to replace it. Now I'll slide the connector back onto the pump and secure it with the fork. And now it's just a matter of replacing the covers. And I'll finish up by replacing the screws that secure the covers.